Matapos ang pagkatalo laban sa NLEX Road Warriors at Phoenix Fuel Masters, aminado si San Miguel Beermen head coach Leo Austria na hindi naging maganda ang simula ng kampanya ng kanyang koponan sa pagbubukas ng Season 50. Aniya, isa sa mga sanhi nito ang maikling preparasyon dahil sa pagdiriwang bilang kampyon noong nakaraang conference. Pero sa ikatlong laro, nasa winning column na ang Beermen matapos talunin ng Rain or Shine 111-93 sa Inares Center sa Montalban, Rizal kagabi, October 19.
Struggling kami pag-start ng that's because the other team is really practicing hard and if you notice a lot of team is playing well and then naka-level up na sila do sa in terms of talent and then intensity wise and then conditioning wise they are on top shape and now because of our the last three practices namin we step up on our training to get the energy system we have to have.
Pinangunahan ni na CJ Perez, Junmer Fajardo at Marshall Lassiter ang malakas na second half attack ng Beermen para makuha ang kanilang unang panalo sa tatlong laro. Umiscore si Perez ng 23 points habang si Lassiter naman ay may 18 points sa kabila ng pagkasugat sa ilong.
It's part of the game, it wasn't intentional, but I'm just glad that I'm able to come back in the second half because I wasn't sure if I had to be rushed to the hospital, but I just want to come out and help coach and help my teammates out get this win because we're desperate. We're down 0-2. We know we can't afford to be down 0-3 in this conference.
Nag-ambag din si Fajardo ng 17 points at 14 rebounds sa pagkakataong lumobo ang lamang ng San Miguel hanggang 25 points. Perpekto si Lassiter mula sa 3 sa third quarter habang sinabayan naman ito ni na Perez at Fajardo upang tapusin ng ikatlong kwarto na may lamang na 74-65. Nagbuhos ang trio ng isang 10-0 blast sa huling yugto para itakda ang 96-76 lead na hindi na nabawasan pa ng Rain or Shine. Sa panig ng kalaban, si Adrian Nocum ang nanguna na may 17 points habang may 16 points at 9 rebounds naman si Jonard Clarito. Naisahan naman si Kaylan Tiongson ang bayani sa huling panalo nila kontra Meralco na nagtala lamang ng 9 points sa 2 out of 12 shooting. Unang laro din ito ni Stanley Pringle bilang elasto painter na may 11 points at 4 assists. Ayon kay Coach Leo Austria, naglaro ang team na may sense of urgency lalo na't ayaw nilang mabaon sa 0-3 bago ang kanilang bakbakan sa overseas game sa Dubai kontra Barangay Ginebra.
And now we have the sense of urgency and you can see it naman from the player na they are all out and that's the game we want to project before the start of this tournament but of course after the championship so I have to give them some time to rest, relax yan, but we pay the price.
Dagdag pa ni Austria, babaunin ng koponan ng panalong ito bilang motibasyon sa paglipad papuntang Dubai sa October 26.
We have to play harder in order for us to win games against Ginebra because we know a lot of players, a lot of Filipino fans there are out there. I don't know kung magpi-50-50 ito. I hope na magpi-50-50 ito. But knowing Ginebra is always but it could motivate us to play harder.
Jamaica Bayaka para sa atletang Pilipino para sa bagong Pilipinas.